Hey guys, and today I have got something very exciting, so watch. Because this is an unboxing video. So when I get it open, I'll start it back up, but I won't take it out. Okay guys, got it open, so you ready to see what's inside of it? Because I am. Alright, here we go. See. Oh my. Look at this. That. And then that. Wow. What is this? Okay. It needs batteries. But I'm excited to have it. Okay. I'm super excited to have it. So there's my unboxing video. Let me give you a look at it. Hold on a second. Okay, hold on a second. But here, I'll hold it up to the camera. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but it has a feature to where it can, the wheels just pop out, like when it's on the ground. When it's on the ground, it does that. So this is a very cool little thing I got. RC car. So there you go. Bye bye.